Mrs. N, I've been receiving a lot of messages on my email regarding Woodstock, so I thought I'd check it out. So far, not too bad. We're going to go inside. There's actually a antique car show today as well, so it's going to be interesting.
Lovely sunny day, and it's known as the Friendly City.
Yeah, and the population of Woodstock is, Mrs. N?
40,000.
40,000. Yeah, so it's actually quite a big city actually, in comparison to places like Paris and Orangeville and those towns that we've done before. Right, so we're going to check it out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Mrs. N, that was Woodstock.
It was a quaint little town. Unexpected surprise. We saw a lovely car show, antique car show.
Yeah, I was actually impressed with how long the downtown was. It's a pretty long downtown. And I'm sure there's a lot of other things we missed out, Mrs. N. There's a lot of stuff we could have done.
But it is, I'd visit this town. It's lovely. It's got a lot of personality.
Yeah, it's a really nice town. Okay, let's go.